Welcome to my channel PPT Tennis. So in today's video we are going to learn how to create a similar beautiful colorful slide design. So it's very easy. So let's begin. Here for that we need a blank slide and we'll go to the design tab. Let's go to the format background and let's choose the black color for it. That's it. Now we have to insert few rectangles. So we'll go to the rectangle here and then let's just insert some horizontal and vertical rectangles and give them some vibrant colors. So now let's go to the shape format and then go to the text option, and here we'll go for 3D format, and in 3D format let's give it some bevel effect. Give it around 6 points width and 6 point height. Now we'll go to the material. Let's change the material to the special effect and let's change its lightning as well. So let's go for warm lighting. Good. Now in the next step, let's just give some animation. So let's go to the animation tab. And here for this text we are going to give the fly in animation, and in the effect option let's give it from left hand side as the text is towards the left. And in the animation pane, go to the drop down menu, go to the effect options, and here animate text all at once. Instead of it we are going to select by letters, and the percent delay is going to be 30% and then press OK. So like this it is going to appear. Now let's give animation to all the rectangles. So for that we are going to select the rectangle and we are going to give the wipe animation. That's it. So here for that we are going to select this rectangle again, and I am going to select the animation painter. With the help of animation painter I am going to give the same animation to all my rectangles. Alright, so all my rectangles have this wipe animation. Now first of all we'll go to this blue one. I want this effect to start from the bottom. That's correct. For this purple one I want to start it from top. For this red one as well I'll start from top. Sorry, for the red one as well we'll start from top. For the orange one we can go from bottom. That's fine. And for yellow one it's necessary that we start from top. That's it. Now let's go for this line, and I want it to start from the left hand side. For the red one it should also start from the left hand side. Red, it should also start from the left, and for the yellow one it should start from right, like this. Alright, so for these three rectangles, for this rectangle number 7, it should start after previous. For the bottom, these two rectangles, means the horizontal rectangles, should be start with previous, like this. Okay, and for the rest of the vertical rectangles they all should start with previous, like this, and the text box should come down and it should start after previous, like this. And for the all the rectangles we'll just increase the duration to 1 second, like this. Now let's have a preview for the same. Perfect, beautiful. Now in the next step, we have to just add some text boxes. So for that, basically what we have done, I'll show you. For this slide, we'll give no transition effect, okay? Now I'm going to copy the same slide by pressing the Ctrl D here. And here I'm going to just remove this text box, okay? Just remove it. Now in the next step, you can just bring any of the rectangle like this. Fine. Like for example, I'm taking this blue rectangle and I'm taking it here. Okay. So this line is coming in center and in front of it. So I am going to reduce its size like this. And for this slide, let's just give morph transition. So we have to remove all the animations which they have. So let's go here and delete. Now let's have a preview one more time. So like this. And then perfect. And here on these rectangles, you can add your text. So on you can add as many rectangles or as many text boxes as you want.